So on popular demand, we have now introduced prompt quoting. And here is an example of what it is and how it works. This is going to change the way you work with long forms of text. Here we have an article, the transformation of urban spaces. Now, I don't want the entire article to be considered in the prompt. I want only specific parts. This becomes more important when we have very long articles, like multiple pages. So here, for example, I can just select the text that I like, kind of like highlighting it. So what I will do is select few words like this one, and now as you can see, paraphrase this, or here you can just type in whatever you want to do with it. So it's a more advanced paraphrasing, but what I'm going to show you is this. Now this quotation icon that we have, as soon as I click it, it is now under the quotes. So this means that whatever prompt I execute, it will only consider these this selected or prompt highlighted text. Okay. And quote. And finally, maybe this one. And I will add quote. So we can have multiple quotes so that we can tell our prompts that these are the specific pieces of text that we want you to consider in the prompt. Now, finally, what I have to do is plus. So here I will select page, and what the page will do is that page will consider from the entire page and all those things that I've highlighted within these orange color symbols. So one is this, and the one is this, and the last one is this gentrification, this line. So it will only consider these selected lines out of the page. If I don't highlight this way and I just let it run plus page, it will take the entire long page into its context. But imagine if you have something like 20 or 30 pages long, or something that you cannot fit in the context, and you are concerned with just some pieces of it, then this is the way to go. You can just use prompt highlighting. Now we have to do m. Will give you the list of all the different kinds of models that we have that you can start using. So maybe I will choose GPT-4o. And finally, let me tell it that combine these ideas and tell me how sustainable urban life, urban transformation can happen while ensuring urban equality. So there you go, plus. Now when I hit enter, it will be considering only this selected piece of text. So let's see it in action. So now we have our answer here. So in this prompt response, only the selected highlighted pieces of text have been considered. That way you can interact with long articles, do the prompt highlighting, and reduce the context that you pass the prompts.